Okay, super easy to use conferencing in Canvas. First of all, you have to have it set up in your settings to show up for you and for your students. So go to navigation and make sure conferences is here and not at the bottom of the screen where it's been hidden and disabled. Okay, so once that's the case, go over to conferences and hit plus conference. And I was just on with my students a couple minutes ago, but I forgot to hit record. Let's try this again. Okay, I'm going to put no time limit. Thanks for your patience, folks. Okay, and simply hit update. And everyone is now getting an email that I'm inviting them to this conference, and all you've got to do is go to hit start. And you're going to set up your microphone, and you want to allow it, and testing, testing, testing. Okay, I hear it. I'm going to click yes. All right, we've got Annalicia is here. And this is the opening screen. Hey, there's Shegs. Can you hear me, Annalicia? Hey! Oh, I forgot. I'm doing a tutorial here to show teachers how this works, and I'm going through it quickly. So now we've got to click on Share Webcam because I want my students to be able to see me. Click Allow, and let's do high quality. Sitting outside, kind of far from the Wi-Fi, so we'll see how this works. Then you click Start Sharing. Hey, we've got Lexi and Alicia. She muted her mic. Shegs. If you guys want to unmute your mics, go ahead. It's not like we've got 50 of us in here. Hey, can you guys see me? Cool. And as people are speaking, thanks for coming on again. I really appreciate it. I forgot to hit screen record when we started it. So as people speak up, they show up. And I'm doing this tutorial for other teachers so they can see how easy this is. So I can hear background noise from Lexi and from Shegs. No, that's cool. You don't have to mute yourself. Lexi just muted herself. You can see by the red microphone there. Okay. And, yep, she muted herself again. And if they want to, they can hit down here, they can hit Share Webcam so we can see them if they want. If not, that's cool. You guys can all still hear me, right? And you can all see me, right? Cool. I figured I'd use the headset and the microphone so the sound would be better. Hopefully it's not too scratchy. Good, good, good. So I'm going to show some of the, Shegs is coming on. Hey, there you go again. This is the opening screen, welcome big blue button. And if you, again, I'm talking to the teachers here since I'm screencasting this. If you hit next slide, it gives you this whiteboard. And you go over here to the menu on the right and you click on tools and there's a pencil, and now you can use your whatever call it, stylus thing and draw. Right now I'm the only one that can draw, so if you come over here and you click on here, multi-user whiteboard, now take it away. There we go. And you can see who's drawing what and when. Okay, so this is a way you can share a whiteboard. If it's too small, you can make it big. B-A-K-E-R. Aw. Hi, Baker. I miss you guys. This is super weird. Yeah, really. This is great for like the socially awkward folks who like yeah, this is great. I mean, like I don't have to like see anybody. What's that? Oh, you've got to go to video. Actually, I'm going to give myself a haircut. But oh, okay. Oh, you're on your phone? Is it really easy to use? Here's the face. This is going to be great. This is going to be great. Whoa. You really do have a bag over your face. Make sure it doesn't go over your nose and mouth, okay? Hey, anytime. Anytime. Let's see who else joined us. There's Jenny again. Hey, Jenny. Let's see. There's a public chat right here. You can minimize or you can maximize. So you can put in, hey, everybody. You can text. It's super easy to use. You can also, if you click on, again, this is for teachers. I wish you could see my chicken cooking right now. You know, I'll turn this around so you can see. Look at this. Can you see? There we go. I got the tripod set up. I'm smoking chicken wings. They're going to be epic. All right, back here. Yeah, there's also a hand raising feature. Do me a favor. Can one of you click on your I don't know if you can do it on your phones. It's a good check. Can you like raise your hand if you have a question, kind of thing? There we go. Okay, so Shegs, her icon just turned into a raised hand, so she has a question, so you can address the question down here. Okay, what's the best flavor Oreo? Deep fried. Let's see what else can you do here. I'm gonna wrap up in a second here. If teachers want to use OneNote, if this whiteboard isn't big enough for you to write on, it's really easy. You open up OneNote. Oh, here's our page from when we played around in class. And you go back to Canvas, and there's an icon down here that says share your screen. And you've got a couple options. You can share your entire screen, the application window, or a particular Chrome tab with your students. So I'm going to go application window, and I'm going to click on OneNote and click share. And now, all right, you folks that are in here, I can't see you anymore. Can you see my face? Good. Okay, so you see face and OneNote. So now I can write on OneNote. I can write equations if I teach math or physics or whatnot, or chemistry. Who let the dogs out? Unfortunately, it's not collaborative, so I don't. There might be a way for us to share a whiteboard, but anyhow, I'm gonna go back to here. Now, where am I going back to here? Going back to here. Okay, cool. Thank you so much for. I'm gonna stop recording for the teachers now. Okay. Blah blah blah. Where was it? Stop recording.